Okay, I guess we're toning this.
Here is a winter weather statement. For the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Madison, and Randolph. Winter storm warning in effect from 10 a.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 7 inches. Nice accumulations around the light glaze. The areas affected include Madison, Delaware, and Randolph counties. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Conditions are expected from 10 a.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time
There it
Monday.
goes.
The following impacts are expected. Roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Travel could be very difficult. Lunch or limbs may down power lines and could cause sporadic power outages. The hazardous conditions in Indiana, Delaware, and Madison. Winter storm warning in effect from 10 a.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. In case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Persons should delay all travel if possible.
Very warm.
With extreme caution. Conditions are expected from 10 a.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. You have extra time to reach your destination. Avoid sudden braking or acceleration, and be especially cautious on hills or when making turns. Make sure your car is winterized and in good working order. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening. Here is a winter weather statement. If you must travel for the following counties: Henry, Indiana. Winter storm warning now in effect from 10 a.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. So the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Persons should delay all travel if possible. If travel is absolutely necessary, drive with extreme caution and be prepared for sudden changes in visibility. Leave plenty of room between you and the motorist ahead of you, and allow extra time to reach your destination. Sudden conditions are expected from 10 a.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. The following impacts are expected. The strong winds and wind car is winterized and in good working order.
It could be cool to have.
Well then.